Transferring cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Coinbase is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, make sure you have a Coinbase account and a Crypto.com account, and that both are fully verified and set up. First, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the Accounts page, where you will see a list of all your available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click on the Withdraw option next to it. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient address, which is the address of your Coinbase account. To find this address, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the Accounts page, where you will see a list of all your available cryptocurrencies. Click on the Receive option next to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and copy the address that is displayed. Go back to your Crypto.com account and paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field, making sure to double-check that the address is correct. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and select the network fee, which is the fee that Crypto.com charges to process the transaction. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, click Confirm to initiate the transfer. The transaction will then be processed and verified by the blockchain, which may take several minutes or longer, depending on the network congestion. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with transferring cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Coinbase, including network fees and any applicable transfer fees. Make sure to review the fees before initiating the transfer, and consider the minimum transfer requirements and any other applicable limits. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure that both your Crypto.com and Coinbase accounts are fully verified and set up, and that you have the necessary permissions and approvals to transfer cryptocurrency. Additionally, be aware of any applicable tax implications and regulatory requirements, and consult with a financial advisor or tax professional if necessary. By following these steps, you can easily transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Coinbase, and start taking advantage of the benefits and opportunities that Coinbase has to offer.